about the economy. No, me catch how another outlook look so bleak out there. All the credible rating agencies out there, rated Ghana junk. We were knocked out of the offense in the commercial space. Ghana could not even go out there to say could floaty bond and I bobosia because ya bobosia yam family yan sadie ka ebugu yeso. And the finance minister is back reporting to Ghana for say a katuchili dia negu Ghana for so na ya kanam over bear 728 billion and over no because of how they've been able to manage the city well into no ekano eswati about over 613 billion. And for me, that is very, 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 very important. Yes, Ghana for yes celebrating some of these things. A child say ya dia hushem na ye timi buani ye manage your currency ni well with all the factors and the variables I can come say me ya. Ebe coming back to your friend saying abwa yina. Unim say IMF MIA projection say in the next 10 years. As a Ghana for ye timi your debt from your debt to your GDP no. In the next 10 years, we should be able to reduce it to 45%.
Okay.
Within 6 months, we are now hovering around 43. So something that is supposed to be done in 10 years has been done within 6 months. And for me, that is phenomenal. Because a child said, the session near mana air cost within that short period, because there was a timer. April, na Ghana, your currency way was the best performing currency according to Bloomberg, the whole of the world. A child says, Sanyamano Kosa, a boazo, all the Yati Neaman, Yati cement, Yati ways, all because of some of these things that are coming up. You understand? And inflation said, and yes, you got to a point, a Bank of Ghana governor, that's sorry, free the man or Prentisika, Yakoyama inflation could do over 54. Every another foreign reserve, Nasa for inflation, and if we are hovering around 13, when end of year projection, Minister near 11 unia from 11 to your friend is saying 13 we almost there. We can go back to the single digit inflation number President Melso Pencil yet minya sustaining then you see people are really managing the economy with only the differences among kasa because I mind by a economic management team I'm for a title more day. But you see, the signs are quite clear. And for me, I think that is very important. Maybe our videos by catch or say bank like NIB, Agu, a bank like ADB, the same thing. They were just the government decided to merge the two. Now, the government came back and told us, and they have recapitalized these banks with 400 million, billion, Ghana cedis.
Okay, so for your information on ADB
made a profit.
I make a profit of 230 million.
Exactly.
230 million.
Good.
This year.
Exactly.
Within 6 months.
Yes.
ADB.
Yes.
I Ghana dia. I bind dia. I make a profit of 230 million.
Yes. Nipa no minimum can they merge these two banks? I'm gonna buy one. Because nipa the seniboni team pose obegu all the local government willing in amane dia akoye because there was no sense in collapsing some of these enterprises. Come and catch up banks facing liquidity challenge. Even in America about 2 years ago, about 4 banks, Republic, your friend saying Signature and several other banks, and some of these challenges. And what they do is that quickly the state will move in or find a good buyer. Then you infuse capital, you save amount for sick and so forth. And that's exactly and NIB. Apart from this recapitalization, are you aware that buying shares? I want Nestor Ghana. We're pushing it, over 1.5 billion. We're pushing it, to support it. And I just see push it. Your friend is saying, bond government a floating bond in there 1.5 billion. And in there, we are saying that the Numa Nipa over 900 workers and what save more and a deposited fund of about 6.1 billion and also what save. This is some of the smart way of doing things. In your sending in a good bank and the way a minority now some say when I was once in a hunty and a demonstration, a petition where sometimes and I say my culture, the NPP has still lost connection with the people of this country. They don't even know when to react and what to do at what point in time because you see. The reason why they left parliament and they say, and your friend said there was basa ye ewo ablekuma. Enti abang until so baby be afa on Montana parliament. But these people are back to parliament discussing the same thing almost right. They are discussing the budget. You see how funny they are. And some of them it's not as if nothing is being done. IGP the statement about until some individuals have been arrested and investigation is ongoing. Yet these same jokers the way. I want to know what happened. People were shot dead. And yet, Basabasa Ekeko. Now, elections here, they killed people. I also was wagon. I is still fresh on our mind. You see, he who comes to equity must come with your friends clean hands. These people supervised over some of these things. It got to a point we even set up a committee and president white paper to even give it a pass, otchere baby obianka. And you go through a pointer. I not try to do something about the ECOWAS. Then you say I'm boycotting parliament. I'm now in your proceedings. Who cares? And I'm saying they could not sit there and listen because never nana econo they could have done better. Unim say IMF sika fana disbursement na SNKeba aba hete Ghana account. Third trench a hete Bank of Ghana account on the 1st of January. From 1st to 6th, I'll hand it over to President Mahama. Nasikano a zero account.
That's 4.5 billion Ghana.
Yes, within 6 days.
Within 6 days.
Yes.
So 1st to 6th January.
Yes.
On the 7th of January, President Mahama sees. So
yes.
4.5 billion.
Everything, not even a single city. You can ask the finance minister. Nothing. Over that's what he is answering way. You can sit down and listen. You understand? And again, look at the numbers, the statistics, everything returning back. Was there now man for a casa Akufo Addo more money? But kind of track. But within these 6 months, here's the NMC turning out right. You can point to actual figures and statistics just to give credence to that particular assertion. And these are quite clear. And all the rating agencies would declare Ghana junk, Are you aware that Moody's are rating Ghana higher? Now you buy a name, Fitch, Eba, your friends S&P, all of them. So when you do these things, I give you certain credit worthiness. You can return to the commercial space and become credible. So Bobo see now floating bond and then I say for no. So in a few years to come, I think that near my best pick ama. And you must say my challenge. Kroma young people a pair Juma all the foundations now buying LA to me pick it up. I'm sure and I'm convinced a bit me be a Numa. I'm a Ghana for any BIA. The manager home and within the big push as seven or kind or say Kumase Accra Road, it's going to be a brand new road, and yet old wine and better rehabilitated and feasibility study is ongoing. Another minister of road give you an update to say express road is going to be a brand new road. Or Mumba Bicha. That road will be a 3-lane road. Be 6. Sa accident ne the BIA renovate Kumasi Accra road that particular thing ebe free ho. Na say resources na oil revenue now buying or referencing no directed to this big push way Unia we are Ghana near it doesn't matter where you sit, where you live. See here Kumasi Accra road they benefit from Sunyani all the major corridor roads in the world or target it and wherever you are you benefit. This is how I build it on my man for a whole impact. And I think that so far maybe in 6 months say I might know buy some cry. That's how we are anti-government. And I was say, John Mahama won't pen us some crowd, the science out there, is something a Ghanaian can celebrate. You understand? Because the signs are quite positive. I clearly say something is being done. Within 6 months, some of these statistics in as we go on. I'm sure that President Mahama no go mine shocking. Oh yes, because how do you justify say this debt to GDP from 68.1 all of a sudden to 43 when the even IMF
they are shocking.
Oh yes. Oh yes because
he was very honest with us.
Yes, no kind so
yes.
Then you are right.
Say anything or can say
pick it so fast.
And all can say your friend is in Ghana for money honeymoon period be because they had the turbulence and that's the economy city and na expectation na he didn't want to put pressure on himself.
I think the gold board now releasing.
Oh, a lot of them. Any other
and the prudent management.
Yes, I think that we were
of cost on understanding money and now releasing.
And we were spending recklessly.
Yes.
And now the management has been very regulated. Look at the size of government and
yes.
Look at the Jubilee House. Nipa ni apaki omo yet me see cater pot. Yes, signboard. There is no portal. Look at the cathedral. Nipa no board members and you two allowances over 20,000 a month. It didn't make sense.
Let's even imagine every hour we are paying $15,000.
What I say?
Fun luxury for a president.
Yes, flying all over. So we are president. Yes, now Katis and Niema way. That is why they were accusing government. Say, oh, the numbers are good because you are not spending. But the gentleman read the budget, you know. Exactly. You saw the spending and why.
I buy the almost 114 billion.
Yes.
And
expenses are caught. Half of the year and more than 100 billion.
So we
per account on the bar.
With a budget projection, you spend almost half of it.
Yes.
But still the numbers look good, you understand. Nina prudence. The numbers don't lie, you understand. So I think that is how we need to walk this particular lane. Sabaya confidence and celebrate. Because now the investors are coming in as a phone. We have to do things in such a way, say. You bet me sustaining that trust and confidence because when you and check na Ghana for Abamobu quite a few days ago, people were preaching coup d'etat because they lost hope in democracy, the democratic institutions, no individuals. But now that hope is back on, and I think we must do everything to sustain this. Abine is there to serve their interests, not individuals are almost to serve their parochial selfish interests.
All right.
Unnecessary expenditure and corruption and mismanagement in tea. And a man Ghana nya junk economy. Enti abai eba ye adepo ya ni manifesto 2024 campaign ya John Dramani Mahama on the vice president Professor Jene Opoko Adjimani ni team we gina mu a wo mo kan nyina da ne se. Eye lean government eno na Ghana for so mo pe eno mo de ba bebu oman. Oman for be kai ya. President Akufo Addo ba ya pe 2017. We have the men, Ejumane so was starting your ministers more than 120. No share the gum, na Ghana for Casamansa Aday. Eddie and Kwana would ye. Any ministers in Prekesi, baby, ya woman child was natural said, Eja, Ejumana, do one a year, into a see a chim, Emma do one a day, and ye be a dear, do one and ye be a year. Empokran 2020 after election COVID mu ya Ghana ewe here mu 2021 2022 now on main civil society organizations politicians obi e katemamufo oka ministers ne doso abaning cutting ne expenditure and expenses ne edoso esan so man na kwatim o man na ewe here mu but mo na Ghana fo oka no mo no kwa na previous government no na Akufo Addo ne Dr. Bawumia na che say appointment no mo ya me che we workers day adwumayefo da na sabre trade union congress pani ekogina wo kan say aban no krofo ne doso yen kati unnecessary expenditure no oh ya ba ya na ebeti say president kwa say mo che kwa no say wo so yi mo che CEO after event national labor union so ni president share ye Jumedie kase so kokko so a president tete niam so an wase oni e mo kire kwa me be mam CEO be mam mo kire CEO eti president Mahama dia na wo je no Ghana for bona baso esan say within a short time 6 to 7 months no I yield good results I ye fruitful e dia ma Ghana for say dia Ghana for pay ye nya no after 2024-2025 less than a year ya cut unnecessary budget expenditure no and near me frase aye dey revive eba ye frase ye nkakra ye kenya ye ho aye sorry eba ministers say minister 60 we 56 kwa na anu ya fe na 4 air converting aboa chief executive officers we 16 system ministers we 16 regions free mu a deputies kura wanyi and then other ministries are one merge no money ade because one minister ne ho ka enya asem ketwa ne ho expenditure enya asem ketwa it is ya kate cost ne ye lean government eno na be dumabo mo man na tumpan wa Ghana for epen sa Ghana for sana Ghana for dey epen wo because wo hwe ye international monetary fund projections am ye edema Ghana no a now one more kwasa by the end of 2025 kwa inflation a bed drop kwa be say somewhere to 21%. Senka your debt to GDP ye be end no afi 2025 kwa na enka enu be say 61%. But now we have finance minister call parliament no because of policies new programs and yema wo introduce no ya unnecessary expenditure o ma kate any lean government intino eya dia ebua wo man no ama sese yakwa no Ghana yaka eswate bese 140 billion Ghana cedis. Eka ya abane beto ye bese 720 something billion Ghana cedis no. Eswate a drop the aba from ye tua ka ni bi. Ena aka no so say external debt no eye dollars ene ye tua forex ene ye tua no enti no. Say dollar no eswate aba from dia. Na che say o se kwan bia so ye sika ne ye ka no. Eso ye de eti ede ba from. Eno ye memo papa, eno ye hye papa. We say enya flip flop policy. Ya ye introduce e ma ne ha wo man. Ama enese ne be frasen kakran eba eya de pa but adia e was a President John Dramani Mahama ne NDC aban e hye ne so say NDC as a political party we need 2024 general election no enye lean political party and a winning election enye lean political party ni siso ama President and then a powerful na swafo what to say and yet lean political party like CPP PNC PPP the late Kweku party omo no sa party lean no omo supporters base no eya sa 2015 no ni ade no omo no ebeye din so betimi awini power e wo Ghana ha say ye wo political parties akesie mienu wo Ghana ha say NPP NDC supporters base no eso all the 16 region 276 constituencies obia de ne hu jimu 8 years in opposition obia ye adwumaden obia sacrifice ye obia sanfifre ebinum kura wo no adwuma na omo ye ntino omo ntimi nda wo mo fie na wo mo ntimi nda wo mo kata so omo ntimi enda wo mo dem sene be ya party ni be free opposition aba power. Eti lean government na Ghana force ye peno a President Mahama wodi osia ye wo yo no sa lean government no Ghana for pe but nye lean political party and this nye lean party o ene we need power na me kwa bakwasemu kakra na me wi a matiesi ensem no ankasemu Ghana abato na ye to no the dynamics no esesesa o 2016 President Mahama elusu 2016 no not because of say no wanya adwuma de onipa da sani bia di adanse ese papa no adwuma de wo bobi papa but after say President Mahama call opposition and sana Ghana for frase infrastructure unprecedented President Mahama adwuma wo ye unprecedented even MPP for omoto across the country campaign no President Mahama Lucio no mo ka say hey mine no wa ye adwuma o mine no adwuma de wa ye bi papa ba esan sin 20 million ye bi akoso wo baabi ntino adwuma no wo ye but ekata so edidija enimuna enenam eno na eduru ho no ma na waka ena me party fo ampia ankwankoto aba me party fo ampie ankwankoto aba ena me party fo ampie ankwankoto aba no eho no na ya na saa de na ede efiri eba ena me ma bakwasem kakra wa Ghana election ho na me start every just 2012 year me nkwa chire na 2092 no me ade me start every 2024 2012 because me ni mresa se ohwe 2012 election a ya ekoso e wa Ghana ha say ya sa mre no 2012 no 6 months to general election and the late President Mills yankopon fa no krensi na no pe wo je mu de to ho e ma President Mahama yes when in our Ghana Parliament a doctor Kwaku Kyeremanteng sa bro na ye governor Bank of Ghana Central Bank obey vice president 86 months ken and we did see we year campaign ya we win ye and we so onya sympathy vote so ye de be yo e ya de a we ye dey o win ye e ma Sammy President Mahama 2012 onya 50% 50.63% Emma NPP na Akufo Addo enya 47.8%. Sabra 2012 seat no. NDC enya 148 seats. NPP enya 123 seats. President Mahama ni first year sa election petition court on sensemu ntino afi e de na o man na stand still na amemu onkoso. Sa within that same period no 4 years from 2012 to 2016 na afi ya twena bo so court nsensem na Akufo Addo nom say ya wia wo mo na de pin sheet no you and I were not there no money ade the whole year na Supreme Court aye pin so na wo man mu ado aye din na ne ma bia ntimi koso because the election petition no Supreme Court ruling ya ebeba sa within that same 4 years no na dum so crisis kese pa ebunkam de fa Ghana for so ba ni nyina da emu President Mahama ye adwuma ni nyina emu no President Mahama ye adwuma but adwuma President Mahama ye no empie na reason wo ho bibi ene wo ho no munti enwuma President Mahama ye no empie esa se niam President Mahama first 6 months ya wo ye enye Ghana for ade foforo obedi president 2012 to 2016 what ye the big push agenda roads infrastructure ya was so about be ye no ni ade adi nyina no e yade President Mahama under his first regime or ye Eastern Corridor Sheduma was starting ye Eastern Corridor road networks de na wo ye ho no ma NPP aban ba ye wadi abura ya kwan na sei Koko Rose was ye kwaji Koko syndicated loan na Koko akuafo aduma da Roman hey Ghana hey ye mbo banche akuafo di kwaji loan ye mo ye friend say ada abibia di body afo di kwaji loan ba ye boko Koko akuafo din ekwadwa so kwaji syndicated loan enti President Mahama say ye nyi sika ne fa bi na wo makwan ye mfa nye enti akwan yi no President Mahama no wo ye pa aban we say ne ba no betu na ajejamu e ma ne ye basa nanka Koko growing communities regions no ka wo makwan eye hospitals President Mahama lose 2016 2017 ye hu hospital sakese cheap compounds all the regions ya o ye de ohwegu ye but bibi kata so MPA enema bi kata so anya de MPA community day senior high schools was say time obeku opposition na president bako etimi anya ama Ghana nya senior high schools bako 54 ya complete binya sure say bia sida but enema bi kata so it is also we lean government ya lean government na wo ye no na wo hunu say eye dom ne edom kwaje power 2016 election and NDC lose ye President Mahama from 50% 2016 order from 44% poo near pejande na from say poo na do na 53.6% 2012 party omukuta 148 seats na 2016 almost what 106 seats na party at 2012 omukuta 123 seats na chasa 2016 wamukwa wamanim no omukuta 169 seats but senkia kanjuma President Mahama ya na wasenka President Mahama 2016 wo yedey owini na wokọ nanim ye 2020 de see ye de ono ba ya obeji chese 2016 169 seats no 2020 enya ye friend electoral commission for na wie mu na Akufo Addo ewiase nyina Ghana nyina de adan se na Akufo Addo olusu 2020 election obia nimu se na Akufo Addo olusu ye obia 2016 wonya 53% oba ye didija eni ememu fun mi gu nkrofo nyuma mi gu banks ni sideline nkrofo enkrofo wo mani bre ye adwumade di NPP ba power no ya sideline wo mani wo magu nchen ye pia wo magu nchen ena akwa ye abusua family friends ni cronies ena etwa ye ho ahia ena wo mo nko na edi ni wo mo hye ena wo mo hye so kwa na wo mu gya nkofo amoma yo adwuma no so kwa mu nya ena wo mu gu nyuma from 169 no afi 2020 53% na e was say ye manipulative figures in 2020 e be pim Sammy na Akufo Addo figure crowd di win election Ghana ni bia anim the mensa calculation nye expose no man na Akufo Addo obi ehun sakwa no walusu because first declaration the buy calculations and for ya no say hey papa no we nya 50 plus 1% no walusu ye afa katashini bukata ena NPP di bowura mu e ma NDC city best 7 wo mo di ahoden e de power e je ye e di free wo mo nsem Ghana who the course so anya sanka NPP 137 seats on parliament nka wo anya NDC the lusu ga the match so mo gigi wo mu seat di free wo mu nsem wo ena akwa aba be do 2024 137 NPP awie ye nyefe NPP awie ye 2024 election and now ko parliament ya omani mo gu ase wo Ghana omani mo gu ase wo parliament amene NPP seat less than 90 NDC seat ebunkam dia faso e wo parliament e wo 2/3 afendo marking ne nkrofo pa Madam Patricia Piajem anodon plan mo pa ene omo kwa parliament omo pa wo mo ko obi emfa wo mo ho because they said Ghana parliament wo no omo wo mu anyema omo free me tosini ena ya na kase ye hia the strongest opposition party obehwa ma aba hey why NPP omo wie ye because of a memo for tantan edidija yes sideline party for NTNO across the country 16 regions 4 regions political party like NPP any MP or representing or parliament upper east upper west voter region otchere region NPP near na musini our parliament 4 regions so party to say NPP before 2024 election na me yesho na me kase sese no said the president Mahama free north Dr. Bawumia free north urban eye chemupe but after election no NPP political party enti sa press conference amoye and a presidential no obi me 200,000 Ghana cedis and me bisa mo se na mo kra no mo party na ase na mo betena ase na ma hihye party no ye no mo next presidential candidate adwen na mo dwen esa ya didija ene kwan ya NPP di nkofo bi fa aso nti no sa nkofo na wo mu di wo mani wo mu party no e sorry di tia wo mu wan na dwen se emre bi ba bedu ama national communications director e de ma NPP ya Boakye Agyarko ya no ye MP why ye minister da e be sorry etia onu ankasa ne party NPP so Kwaku di movement for change echi ala nchire mate echi because after 2020 olusu okọ your friend say contest ya olusu ye ena nkaban ni hu nyansa say ya Boakye Agyarko wo mu ayema ofiri mu etotini entu de esi wo kwana ba bi kran fa ne konkọ sha enka ya Boakye Agyarko akotena kana no atu me share before elections no Afero can show you a TV3 Saturdays. Nacha ya Boakye Agyarko wesi one was electoral commission NPP egu ho expose woman me say hey Ghana politics and then ya Boakye Agyarko ko be defend the electoral commission any NPP edidija any ekwan ya onu akasa ne party a wo so ye de ne fa so ntino no wa sorry atia NPP why na feel say maybe bedroom Hopeson Adorye Hopeson Adorye be expose NPP for achira kwan mo fa so ewia election mu because Hopeson Adorye adwuma ye de ne nsa kwa kan senke ye jaye no ma ne hye ho a enka Hopeson Adorye be ye din na ne kakra wa waje hwe enkrofo wo mu firi NPP mu a wo mu botia NPP NDC wini na wo mu wini ye let me tell you something information asankrofo no mu free NPP mu no edema NDC no na enya asem ketua you don't have any idea you don't know you think say it's about NPP NDC no national executives presidential campaign team and na communication and eye tuma me say omo wo mu free NPP mu no ho apo pa omu liki ye edema NDC ni na nya asem ketwa omu expose NPP ema NPP ho pai enti pobi a NPP bebo bia no na epie na eda abonten pobi electoral commission bebo bia no na eda abonten because omu wo intelligence from the party enti ne me ka say lean government ne eye Abua papa ya boy president Mahama baso one finance minister and ministers but idea was the NDC abai president Mahama mo share so ne say enye lean political party and na mo de power It is our year and a debt to GDP above form, inflation above form, and as I said, the exchange rate in a year, and a gold board at that woman your forex bebre, $80 no, you bet me a holding $1 10 cities, that I say, and no egun come ever when you so a kataweni. Nase do drone egu atie nase wo mu esu ahwe o ka say ya no pe me ka say obi ti wo be ka say ye tueli hwe o mo ye tueli no wo ma ni nya appointment ka wonya appointment anko no na be ye dede onu no be ye na ye tueli abane ba ye nche ye tueli I'm telling you say onu ni nya appointment ya. And that person, he will be the first or best shout on top of his voice. And power. And you will be an Ebenya appointment. Said the Memotiano. And you will be an Ebenya appointment. And you will be an Ebenya Quenya presidency. And you will be an Ebenya Quenya chairman general. And you will be an Ebenya Quenya chief of staff. And you will be an Ebenya Quenya who minister be. But Mona appointment and won't be avenues. Most of some force and uncle from Flame now Munyamo. Because some crofon and use to power. Some crofano and a muyu Mamma day. What do one power? It is somewhat now more say, dear, I didn't back 2028 bia, and you might President Mahama, ye bury President Mahama, no candidate 2028 too. I found a mobile candidate for 2028. Almost sacrifice one my dad, almost made a deal with 8 years in opposition, no. From one radio station to TV station, and Krasi Airban, one appointment, no, one was some creative avenues at the Masanko form. But Yana may said will be to say, my friend Panisa won't fa. And the panel cry and quote, now alleges Satia, Malamisa, or Tehano say, or could see your office, Wako one 4 times, or call on Cotonesi. Secretary Becca say, I'm a boss so be available August. Oh, yeah, President Mahama. Oh, yeah, Chief of Staff. Oh, yeah, Dr. Ato Forson. Oh, Mokwaromo value of the Magana for. A Timu CEO of one Mahamadu Bawumia managing director for more value. Now, mon baby, a quenya and farmer man for, mon baby, a quenya and farmer mon crop for. And yes, now, and I remember they said yes, quality, and then ye bedi swatcha. A bedu election day, will party man now, would do year, Juma 2020, 2024, every new power, no, shut them, MP, man can't let me sabane by and che, because when you be, and no becca. Too early, and I buy a buy and che, what can't I buy a buy and che, only microphobia. Like aligned to NDC. Some movement for change of way, social commentators for Juma, Edema NDC, only Bishia, no more NDC, they say ya no mutuamonia papa. San one motie. Oh, one they say ya no motie. Ah, Sanka NPP Pania, ya Juma, one more. Oh, NDC for they say ya, yamode. Yeah, catch them who say ya, and mutia say ya, and mutia yamode. Ay, san one motie. Omu yusu omu kayo eyamo de sankrofo kasa akire mo yei nana ma ye nu mu ye ho na da Akufo Addo Dr. Bawumia bam no ya fa gem ti ensuro wisie. I'm telling you people today ye nso ne ye beka ye ya fa gem baby e free ba no ye maame no ne ye papa no ne abusuafo no wo mo na adwuma ye say ye rescue mission no ya fa gem NDC aba ye ensuro wisie. Now, Kasan, NDC political party, NDC about Bemu, and may come on what NDC about Bemu, December 7th, now Xmas abetram, New Year abetram, Easter abetram, but NDC media, they don't even know them. 7 months near media, yeah, Jumadema NDC crown, some of them from Roma Trans say, yeah, Damasimpono, Ebinsi da. Political party, Bernon. 2016 say yana muye yo from 20 say yana muye yesa no pemeni abrepa say yantina President Mahama Juma wa ye kadem MPA after say President Mahama lusu ye na ye tena radio ni TV so ne ye papa yi adwuma wa ye ya papa yi adwuma hospitals modern facilities schools are schools akwan but essence e bi no yom so ma ye bizarre o ma ye bizarre entina afa de na moda fom se pu enti se wan hwe yi a se mu citizen se 180 something our parliament se mo hwe yi a se yi na ye kana be ka se too early no se to so se yi a 2028 na we sit ni be se 20 na free so afa 58% no na wan hwe yi na wo be 51% because enipa ne ye do mu ye adwuma je power enipa na wo do mu ye adwuma je power no obi ba party ni mu 3 weeks Rose Modo where ya obedi ntro o free Bawumia office ase no ye so at front desk obedi ntro ya my presidential staff or no ma recognizing the sacrifice mo hu na adwuma o ye but do no di wachi 8 years no e too early ohun no on kai no ohun no unti ni di poda ohun no ni mu no ohun 8 years Mori Poto 2016 de odi wachi akuta wo ekom mu amanie mu no eye too early Korea ni be me ya Korea ni ya mo man appointment mama appointment ma Korea for mrofo nyina anya bi eye ni nyina eye good governance amemwo no nko nanim but me catch the NDC from Oma Swat say lead government in Ghana for President Mahama Yabo Abaso Wayade but catch the party ministers CEO of one say na no bi catch the Sammy if crowd there wo bre wo do no office crowd there nipa bu nka mafaso ho yes Sammy as a national communications officer there say na beto wo yes wo do Sammy if officer nipa bu nka mafaso ho onya no twa bia onya me so attend to obi a obi na catch me but muna waka na wo ye CEO na wo bi ti samala mi saba office waba 1 waba 2 waba 3 na waka kire wo secretary say waka kire say August na me available who born dog nkofo ani abrin gina mu ye adwuma no nkofo hye dem e ma deadline e ma timelines na nkofo hye dem na nkofo hye dem say NDC aban mu media house so mu ye adwuma ma o 7 months ni me bua mo kan chem so ma coordinator mo do ma tena se aka chem say 8 years ni ma sacrifice ma bre ma konkodi ntia da ma say enye sika obi ye adwuma ma wa appreciate nipa no effort nipa no input e come nim na director say minimre afa obi kan che attorney general who say me pe wa semba A+ dina semba o so mi nya no ho mele pa enti me A+ o hu mi one me nye fine Nyan ho mele pa. Ba Dr. Dominic Ayeni. Abaye minister to apaki suit ni tie go on the time bia na so the cameras ya set cameras sisi so ho. Enye no na Ghana fo hwehwe. Ya prepare docket awie. O prepare docket wie. Na baba Ghana fo amane a ya judges. Ya judge for. Ya Ghana for Dr. Dominic Ayeni eji abalo ya peni ya Ghana for. Ya judge for. Ghana for nye judges. Kasa na ye too much. Kasa no aye too much. Unnecessary press conference na endorse ye hear action. Action na Ghana for here. Mo ba ye national service before mo be ba national service na Fourth Estate the whole report abada. Mo se mo ye audit at the report in fellas Ato Forson the report no e be tu dwa. Say Ghana sika over 500 million. Ghana cities afan kwafo nsase eno no eye ade da wono mu da enya ade foforo ye nim firi tete ye nim efiri tete ena ye nimuo ye nim efiri tete 548 million wo ba ye ene ye che ye say former director what detail no afema release no guy ba ko gift aware aba enu gift aware mu detain no ekwakwa mu fa so mu release no ya ante ho hwe ehwa no asaba be ye press conference for na the national service hu nsem aba na anu de Ghana for hwe kwan any say national service calm down the people involved and crofo mu did say ghost names the good systems so at the bo chrono gift your worry. Any former came a mayor, ya obey a national service boss. Corona woman bond, you're gonna for your quan say. Eji, Ubaba catch a gunner for say, Uncle when the dinner call to you. Oman Adoma call to you, woman the dinner call to you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.